Hello everyone, we are going to present you our final year project. It is household cleaning and sweeping robot, and it is presented by my friend Samannay, Bhattacharyya, Madhurjya, Kumar, Nath, and me, Ankush. Under the supervision of Professor Kumar Sharma sir, we have done this project. Here is our outline, which include these parts. As we know, cleaning is an important part of our daily life. It is a helping hand to improve our daily life. This floor cleaning robot prototype is quite effective to reduce human effort for whole house for cleaning of the house. Here is a literature review. Here is our motivation. As we know, most of people don't have much time to clean as they are busy with their own works. Some of vacuum cleaners in market are too much expensive for cleaning of the hospital, shopping malls, restaurants. Will be more complicated with manual cleaning. Here is our methodology. A microcontroller which is Arduino used to control the device along with its sensors. We have used ultrasonic sensor to detect obstacle in the surroundings. A IR sensor is used to avoid falling from high places or staircases while the robot is moving. We have made a voltage regulator to provide a proper power supply to each sensors and motors. We have installed vacuum cleaner and a mopping tool manually to clean the floor.
Component required in phase 1. Figure 1, 1 microcontroller, that is Arduino Uno. Figure 2, 1 ultrasonic sensor. Figure 3, 1 servo motor. Figure 4, 1 motor driver module. Figure 5, 3.72 lithium-ion battery. Figure 6, bow motor. Figure 7, wheels. Design and implementation of obstacle detection using servo motor and ultrasonic sensor. We are making a board which can operate an Arduino Uno. When we switch on the board, the ultrasonic sensor which is fitted on servo motor detects obstacle and avoid collision with unexpected obstacle. Then both moves either on front or right or left. The servo motor rotates 180 degree and therefore the ultrasonic sensor detects object of surrounding. Vacuum cleaning and mopping part is run manually by the switching on. This is the block diagram. The main supply we use 9 volt, which is connected to microcontroller. The microcontroller controls the motor driver module, ultrasonic sensor and servo motor. The motor driver controls the two motor and the vacuum cleaning is directly connected to 9 volt, which is manually on. This is the flow chart. We start the program. Initially all the sensors and microcontroller ready to operate. The ultrasonic sensor read distance. If distance less than not equal to 20 cm, then move forward. If yes, then move stop and move backward, then move stop. And look right or left for read distance. If right distance greater than equal to left distance, then turn right. If not, then left and then move stop. These are the some hardware pictures. These are the some data set of our phase 1.